Why, hello there. Some of you might not recognize me. They always say, Filian, I know you're bald in real life. I know that. You really are bald. And to you I say, no, that's not. This is me, my real self. I am Birdian. The skies I own and my domain. I am not the nest. No, I'm the bird. I'm literally the bird. Excuse me. Caw. There you go. Yes. Baldian and Birdian are one and the same. And I have wisdom for you, if you should so dare to accept it. Yes.
Dang, Filian, you're even shorter than I imagined in real life.
Fine. That's okay. You know what? I'll give you some wisdom. This one's on the house. Dare I say,
fuzzy
it's on the nest. Here it is.
That's Lake Tahoe.
Common sense. Stop! Common sense is like deodorant. The people who need it most never use it. Any questions? Any thoughts, my apostles? Are you willing to accept this wisdom and go forth and spread the good news of my flightful mission? He's so cute. That's me. I'm in the picture.
More bold than Tecton.
Okay, fine. Fine. You know what? Chat, here's one more bit of wisdom. The early bird might get the worm, but the second mouse gets the cheese. Thank you. Thank you. I've been enlightened? Excellent. That's all it taught me out for today. How do I pause this epic joke? Here? Well, bam. Where the frick's the guy at? Dude, chat, someone tell me why an epic live stream of a bird sitting in a nest has 27,000 viewers right now. It is a live stream of a bird in a nest. I don't get it, dude. I saw this thing yesterday. I clicked on it and I could not turn it off. I have been watching it for the past 40 hours and I can't stop. I need help. I need an adult, dare I say. It's calming. It is.